Alright, so what is good, everybody on YouTube? This is of course your boy B, Bullet RC, coming to you guys again with yet another video, and it is Sunday, Super Bowl Sunday, and I thought I should go ahead and bring you guys a big stack of boxes to unbox. But before we get into that, yo, shouts out to the Finesse gang, those who get here early. Subscribe, leave a like, and comment earlier in the video, and you might see your name up on the screen. So while you're watching right now, you might want to go down there real quick and drop a comment, drop a like, all that good stuff. But before we get into this video, I want y'all to let me know who y'all are pulling for the Super Bowl. Are you on the Eagles side, the Pats side, or do you not give a fuck because your team was knocked out? I don't personally have like a team. I just lived through my dad. My dad's team is the Cowboys, and they are not in the playoffs at all. And I got homies on the side of the Pats. I got homies on the side of the Phillies. So I'm gonna just see what happens. But y'all go ahead and leave a comment down below who you guys want to win. Not who you expect to win, who you want to win. Philly Eagles or the New England Patriots. So with all that out of the way, Finesse gang, I appreciate y'all, but y'all gotta go right now. We need to get to the video, and let's count off these boxes. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 new boxes of blessings. We got an early pickup from the Euro plug, a nice NERD package on the way, and we got a couple mixed in blessings, some stuff from Kith as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead, and my Xbox controller's up here, but I'm gonna go ahead and knock some of these boxes off, and I'm gonna start with some of the big stuff and just grab some of the boxes randomly. So these are both from the same place, so I'm gonna just go ahead and unbox this huge box and a slightly smaller box at the same time. This will be our first one, and we are back. So I'm gonna get into the big box first, and then we can get into this small guy right here. So here we go, going for the big package up first, and let me go ahead, open this up, open this side up. Let's not cut my face wide open, and let's get into this box. Like I said, this first one is just a random blessing that hit the door. Move that over, and let's go ahead. Wow. Okay, so I think some of y'all might have seen this one, but this is a huge pack from UA, Underarmor pack right here. Now I've seen a couple pairs of these, and I've seen this box, and this is the Hover Tech. It's supposed to work with Map My Run and the Bluetooth, but let me not talk about it. Let's be about it and take these joints out of the box, because the packaging is slick, something serious. Y'all can like barely see that. There you go, bland. Now y'all can see it. So the big UA box, Hover on the side. This is a really nice box, and now I can move this joint out the way because I don't need it. So let's get into this first package, but we got to go ahead and make sure I open them up with you guys. It's a nice opening experience. Blam. We got the hovers on the inside, and I almost dropped one. So right here I have the Under Armour hover sneaker right here, and I did get like a black marble and red colorway. Now actually the other box is from Under Armour as well, or I'm assuming because it came from the same exact place. So we'll get into that, but let me read up on these a little bit real quick, give you guys a little bit of details on them. So with these shoes, like I was saying before, you can actually connect them to the Map My Run app, and they track it when you run. So this is actually good for me, because if y'all didn't know, I actually have been hitting the gym lately. The diet has started, and I have been doing a little bit more running than I usually would do. And when I say a little bit more running than I usually would do, I mean none. I mean none at all. And like I said, we actually had another box right here from the same people, and my knife is right here. So let's go ahead and let's cut into this bad boy, and let's see, because I'm assuming it's going to be another pair from UA, and we can go ahead and pop these open. Yes, we got another pair of the hover joints right here. Pop this open, and let's go ahead and see which pair is in this box right here. A very small box compared to the one we just got, but UA hover size 12. This is the Sonic CT pair, and this one is like an all over white, but this one's like a low top, so it's a little bit different. The other one was more of a mid top, as you guys can see. It's a lot higher, and I just ripped something out of there. So you got the more mid top pair right here, and then you got the low top all over white and gold hover joint. So once again, UA, appreciate you guys. Thank you for sending these over, and we got a lot more boxes to get into. Next up, we got another unboxing from the Euro plug, and I told you guys that I had some stuff coming in from overseas. Now the early pickup, I'm gonna save that for a little bit later. The US is gonna get that pair a lot later on this month, but you know, I needed it early, bro. So let me go ahead, take this out, you know, receipts and stuff, that's address information, you don't need that. And blam, right here, the Nike box on the inside. Take these bad boys out, and finally I have my right size, the Tour Yellow Air Max 98, 145 pounds, and I finally got my right size, because when I be ordering off of these European sites and I get that UK 11 or that European 11, sometimes it's a US 11.5 and sometimes it's a US 12. I don't understand what the difference is, but this time we got the right size, blam, and you guys have already seen these, so I'm not gonna take a lot of time on them. Tour Yellow Air Max 98, and I got an extra size 11.5. Now the extra 11.5 I've already thrown up on Bulls Bodega, so if anybody needs a delayed W on those joints, they are up there. But this one is a size 12. This one is my size, but you guys have seen this shoe already. I just wanted to go ahead and show it to you guys and just let you know that I was able to get my right size. The 11.5 can go ahead and get up out of here, and I can do the review ASAP with this one. I didn't want to just drop the review with the 11.5 because I knew I had a better size coming in, and I felt like the 11.5 would have been too tight. It would have looked really like strong and fat on the foot, so I needed my right size. So the double up on the OG Air Max 98, not bad at all. Next up, we got another blessing. This one is coming from Puma in Westford, Massachusetts. So let's go ahead, break these open and see what the family over at Puma went ahead and blessed us with. So here the box is opened up. I did cut the bottom of the box a little bit, but that is all good. It is all okay. It is a-okay. Toss that box over there. Puma Suede 50. I think it's the 50th year anniversary of the Puma Suede, all over gray, gold, white box. And let's just go ahead and break into them and see exactly what they sent over. So okay, wait, we got the note flex. So thanks Puma for the note. You guys have seen it right there. And let's go ahead, man. We got the notes and stuff, but let's go ahead and get into the main course, which is the actual shoe. And let me go ahead and fix my focus because the GH5 just needs a little help. And blam, let's get into them. Ooh, an all over red suede Puma low, straight up classic joints, all red. And it's got the gold to match with that B-boy feel to it. And these are what they sent over, all red suede Puma classics. You got the gold Dubrays on this joint. They say suede in 1968. Of course, once again, 50-year anniversary of the Puma Suede. It's got like croc leather on the Puma logos. Just a nice all over low top suede pair with the fat laces. So yo, shouts out to Puma. I appreciate you guys blessing me with these. Definitely a dope shoe. And I actually see a lot of people, especially when I make my list of really good shoes under like 100 or 150 bucks, a lot of people say make sure you don't forget the Puma Suede. So blam, thank you Puma for blessing me with these guys. And with this box out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the next one. Now these next shoes right here, I'm not gonna lie, they're definitely a little bit weird. There's something new, a brand new model, and it's a brand new Adidas model that I have been interested in for a while. Unfortunately, I thought I took the L and missed out on them because they sold out on Adidas. Luckily, I seen them. Somebody tweeted at me on Twitter, my bad bro, because I'm forgetting you, but they actually hit me up and said that they had size 12 on Kith, and I was like, yo, I definitely need to get these in hand because I wanted to try them out for myself. I really like when they start dropping new models, new stuff that I'm interested in. And I don't want to say this caused like a little bit of controversy, but I guess there was some confusion based on this shoe right here. So let me just go ahead and get into it, bruh, because I have been waiting and waiting. I really wanted to just go ahead and unbox these before I even got on camera, but I'm patient. You know, I waited and I wanted to unbox them with you guys. The stack of boxes over here is crazy. Y'all can't see it, but just trust me, it's crazy. All over blue Adidas box. Crazy BYW level 1. The crazy boost you wear. Of course, that's a play on the feet you wear campaign they had from Adidas. And of course, this looks very similar to the Crazy 8. This right here is a roided out, boosted Crazy 8, but it's not made for the court, it's made just to wear. You know, regular lifestyle shit, that's what this is for right here. This is not a basketball shoe. The basketball version is a bit different than this one right here. So let me just go ahead and take this other shoe out of here, and then I kind of want to give you guys a couple close-ups and just talk about some of the stuff on the shoe, because like I said, it's a brand new model. This is my first time seeing it, and it definitely is one of those weird shit pickups that you guys know I like to get from time to time. So let's talk about it. Let's talk about the BYW real quick before I do my review on it. Initial thoughts of the shoe: really chunky boost on the bottom, but that only leads me to believe that it's going to be even a more comfortable shoe than the EQT like support joints. The support boost, the 9317s, those are the boostiest, is that a word? The boostiest boost shoes that you could have gotten, and I think these might be beating them out by a boost ball's length of boost on the bottom of these. Anyways though, those are my first thoughts on the Adidas Crazy BYW level 1. I actually really like this shoe right here. Very interesting, and like I said, man, shout outs to my dude J-Law Ball. He was the first one I seen wearing them. He wears a size like 14, I think, so he's a definite higher rank than me in the yacht gang, but they still look good when he was wearing them, so I figured that size 12 would look good as well. And of course you have the little detail at the front of the toe, which was a play on the feet you wear, the old like campaign that they did with the old Crazy 8s and the Kobe's and everything. So boost you wear, Adidas, definitely a dope shoe, a lot of different materials on them, and I'm pretty interested to actually try them out and see how they feel on foot. So the review is coming very soon, but we still got 2 more boxes, and man, I don't even know which one of these to go with first. So like I was saying, we got 2 more packages left, either the NERD package or the early package from the Europlug. I think I'm gonna get into this one first because this one I feel like is really unique, and I don't think I've seen anyone with this one on YouTube yet. So I'm gonna wait to show you guys this right here, and let's get into the early unboxing. Like I said, straight from overseas, needed these for sure, had to get them, and I saw a lot of people were talking about these. Y'all like these better than the Tor Yellows, and luckily, bruh, these were a pain, man. I tried to get these on City Gear when they first dropped. A couple of sites actually did drop these on the first release date that was supposed to happen, but City Gear site is trash, bruh. Straight basuda, straight garbage juice. Y'all need to fix that. Y'all are not ready for all that traffic, but let's get into this box right here. Slide these guys out of here, and it is, yes, another Nike box. The stacks are getting very heavy over there. Nike Air Max 98, once again, 145 pounds, size 11 or UK 11, which means a size US 12, white, university red, and obsidian. Yes, we did get them. The Gundam Air Max 98 early things. I needed these early for sure. Honestly, I was kind of glad when they said they were gonna push this release back until like later on, I think like the last week of this actual month, but I seen them, I had a chance to get them early, so yes, I did get them early. And these are just another classic colorway. I had a lot of people saying that they actually like the Tor Yellows over the Gundam. I just feel like yellow, I don't think yellow is a hard color, but I think the traditional red, navy blue, and white is a little bit easier color to sell. So yes, man, all over orange. Nike box, Gundams on deck, and I will be dropping a review. I'm not gonna do 2 separate reviews. Maybe I will, but I'm most likely just gonna do a review of one Gundam on one foot and then a Tor Yellow on the other foot, so you guys can just see a good difference in what they look like. And honestly, because I might be being a little lazy too, that's probably the biggest reason. But the Gundam Air Max 98, size 12, from overseas. Thank you, Europlug. Appreciate you. And next up, but definitely not last up, I actually ordered this back at ComplexCon, so from November, and I finally got it in February. And this is a special package from between Bait, NERD, and these actually got shipped out by Billionaire Boys Club. You guys can see the little Bait sticker up top. I wish I could still read this for you guys. I did take, you know, fun fact, I took 3 years of Japanese in high school, but I really can't remember anything up here. And I've already kind of set it up so that when we get into it, I really don't want to cut the box at all, because I definitely think this is a like collector's piece. This is a collector's edition piece that I will keep with me On the top, you guys can see it says NERD with the brain on the front. You take this out right here, and you have that same graphic going around the whole box. Now, it's a little bit hard to see, but there is actually the NERD letters on each side. So on this side right here, you guys can see that shiny piece is N. Of course, you flip it over, E. Once again, got the R right there, and the D. So I actually got these off of, I've talked about them before, but it's the Frenzy app. It's like a drop app, but it's official, no fugazi, no funny stuff. So this was actually one of the drops that happened on the app, NERD box. No one ever really dies on the top. I need to actually go back on BBC's website because they have some of those neighborhood hats up there, the nerd joints, but they only have the white, they don't have the black. And let me take this joint out. It is actually the lamp. I don't know what it is about me and lamps, but we have been getting a lot of lamps lately. So this thing right here is the NERD brain lamp. And like I said, I got it from the Frenzy app. Now, the one thing I wish that happened with this lamp is that it glowed a little bit brighter. Now, it does glow. If you guys turn it on, there is a little on switch on the bottom. You turn it on, and to flick it on, you just tap right here and it lights up. And it has like a blinking mode, and then you have one where it's just regular or just off. So regular mode, then this is the little blink joint. Matter of fact, let me turn these lights off and shit. Y'all can't see nothing with these things on. Hold on. So like I was saying, this is like the blink mode right here, and it's kind of hard to see. But so when you have it like regular lamp mode, you guys can see across the front the NERD words, and it's just a nice little collector's piece to have in a room. Now, I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet because I don't really have space back there on my dresser, which is kind of like part of the studio setup. But yes, NERD brain lamp, and I think these are going for like 350 to 400 bucks right now on eBay. Definitely a dope collector's piece, and it took long enough, almost 3 months to get here. So that is going to be a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Some really dope stuff that I have been waiting on. Gundams, 98s, the BYWs, and a couple blessings from Puma and Under Armour back there. So in this video, we unboxed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs of new shoes. And I'm letting y'all know, just like I let y'all know all the time, new shoes have been added up on Bull's Bodega. I'll be working to add some more t-shirts and stuff. Last time I added some shirts up there, them joints flew. So I appreciate you guys for ordering. And yeah, man, that's it. That's everything. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. So much love to all the fam, followers, and of course supporters. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, Snapchat. The Snapchat is bull.cb, by the way. Here, there, Buzzbot, of course. I mean, I got choices now, but I'm gonna go ahead and grab the 98s. Of course, Bullet RC, and I will see y'all on the next video. This joint is crazy, man. I'm so glad that I got this. This shit was a hefty retail, $225, but if I really wanted to keep this and sell it in a few years, this shit could go for some guappington. But as a VA native, I'm gonna go ahead and keep this joint in the vault. Y'all be easy. I am out of here. Super Bowl Sunday. Let me know down below who you are going for. Drop a like. I'm out. Peace.